Hi, hello friends. Once again, welcome to my channel. In last class, we have discussed about fundamental physical quantities. Now, in this class, we will discuss about derived physical quantities. First, what is derived physical quantity? Derived physical quantity means the quantity which is depending on fundamental physical quantity is known as derived physical quantity. In derived physical quantity, there are so many quantities in derived physical quantity. Like for example, area, volume, density. Now in derived physical quantity, we will discuss about some of the derived physical quantities. Okay, first derived physical quantity. Distance. We will discuss about distance. Distance means total path length traversed by an object is known as distance. Means if the object is moving in a straight line or a curved path is known as distance. For example, from your home to school, from your home to market first, next then market to school. From the home is x1, the market is x2, the school is x3. By adding this total x1 plus x2 plus x3 means the formula of the distance is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on. This is the formula of distance. Next, unit of the distance. Unit of the distance is meter in SI system, centimeter in CGS system. Next, is a scalar or vector? Is distance is a scalar or vector? Distance is a scalar quantity. First, what is scalar quantity? What is vector quantity? Scalar quantity means the quantity which has only magnitude but which doesn't have direction is known as scalar quantity. Vector quantity. Vector quantity means the quantity which have both magnitude and direction is known as vector quantity. Then the distance is a scalar quantity. Next, fundamental or derived. We know that the distance is a derived quantity. We are discussing about derived quantities. The distance is derived physical quantity. Next, the dimension formula of distance. The unit of the distance is meter in SI system. Means the dimension formula of the distance is m0, l1, t0. How this m0, l1, t0 had came? Here m means mass, l means length, t means time. The unit of the distance is meter. Here there is no kg. That's why m0. Length means meter. Meter is there. That's why L1. Next, T means time. Time means second. There is no second in this unit. That's why T0. Totally, the dimension formula of the distance is M0, L1, T0. Next, the equivalent value of distance. The equivalent value of distance is 1 meter equals to 10 to the power of 2 centimeters. 10 to the power of 2 means 100. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 10 to the power of 2 centimeters. Next, 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. 10 to the power of minus 2 means 1 by 100. That's why 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Next derived physical quantity name is displacement. Displacement definition is shortest path length traversed by an object is known as displacement, or change of position in particular direction is known as displacement. Example, from an object is moving from A point to B point. Then A point is S1. Next B point x1. B point is x2. The displacement of this is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. x1 is initial velocity, x2 is final velocity. Then the formula of the displacement is S bar equals to delta x. Delta means change of position. Delta x equals to x2 minus x1. Okay. Next, the units of the displacement. The units of the displacement is meter in SI system, centimeter in CJ system. Next, dimension formula. Dimension formula of the displacement. m0 l1 t0 is the dimension formula of displacement. How this had came m0 l1 t0? Because m means mass, l means length, t means time. In this unit there is no kg, that's why m0. In this unit there is meter, that's why l1. In this unit there is no second, that's why t0. Next, is displacement is a scalar or vector? Displacement is a vector quantity because it is changing, it is in a particular direction, that's why it is a vector quantity. Next, is displacement is a fundamental or derived? Displacement is a derived quantity. Next, equivalent value of displacement. The equivalent value of displacement is 1 meter equals to 10 to the power of 2 centimeters, means 100 centimeters. Next, 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Okay, now we discuss about difference between distance and displacement. In distance, the definition of distance is total path length traversed by an object is known as distance. In displacement, shortest path length traversed by an object is known as displacement. Next, the formula of the distance is x1 plus x2 and displacement is x2 minus x1. Next, distance is a scalar or vector? Distance is a scalar quantity. In displacement is a vector quantity. These are the main differences in distance and displacement. All are, except this, all are same. Okay friends, this is my new material which I had done for the new learners in physics about derived physical quantities. I had done all the derived physical quantities, distance, displacement, but in this class I am showing only two derived physical quantities, that is distance and displacement. In the further classes I may share some of the derived physical quantities also. I am sharing this only for this day. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.